So I just finished reading an article. Here's the article. 2 school districts, 2 radically different approaches. Sorry about that. I'm not very good at this shit yet. However, being a science teacher, I see a huge problem with this. Okay, so this is Clarion's population. This is Alexandria's population. Okay, so we should probably see a difference there. Clarion has just over 5,000 people. Alexandria, 157,000 people. Okay, so there's the first problem. It's a different size population, and we know that COVID spreads based on population density. So you're going to have more cases of COVID the more dense the population is. So already you should be starting to think, well, if Clarion has such a small population and Alexandria has such a large population comparatively, then we would expect to see more of an issue in Alexandria. And so, yeah, they probably do need to have their masks on. Now, Clarion so far has been getting away with this, but I live in Pennsylvania and I check these numbers every day, and I am able to go in and just check Clarion. So let's do that right now. Here's Clarion's data for September 6th. They had 5 cases in all of Clarion County. Yeah, I bet Alexandria has seen a lot more than 5 cases in one day. I bet they did. I bet it was closer to like what Pittsburgh saw, which we had like 250 cases on September 6th. So, yeah, that's scientific bias right there. And that is a huge issue for many of our population, because many of our population are too stupid to understand. When we do scientific testing, you have to control every aspect of that science-based research. This would be no different. You know, if the author of this article wanted to post an actual, let's say, article that maybe could sway people's opinions or to prove evidence that, you know, you don't need to wear masks, you would need to compare another school district that is following the same protocols that Clarion is following, but in a city that is more the size of Alexandria. Otherwise, it's not a fair comparison.